नमस्ते सभी को। तो आज हम इस जर्नी पे जब स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं तो हमें ये जानना ज़रूरी है कि मेडिटेशन आखिर है क्या। व्हाट इज़ मेडिटेशन, उसका क्या पर्पस है एंड व्हाई वी नीड टू डू मेडिटेशन और इंक्लूड इट इन आवर एवरीडे रूटीन। मेडिटेशन कोई रैंडम प्रैक्टिस नहीं है जिसमें आप किसी भी टाइम स्टार्ट हो सकते हैं, बट इसके पीछे एक प्रॉपर स्ट्रक्चर है दैट यू नीड टू फॉलो बिकॉज इट हेल्प्स टू इनकलकेट पीस ऑफ माइंड इन योरसेल्फ एंड बिसाइड्स दैट इससे भी ज़्यादा पीस ऑफ माइंड के अलावा, उस कामनेस के अलावा इसके और भी बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं जो कि हम डिस्कस करेंगे। हर सेल या एवरी जो बॉडी का सेल है उसको रिजुविनेट कर देता है मेडिटेशन। एक ये सिर्फ हीलिंग जो हमारा बॉडी का ऑटो इम्यून सिस्टम होता है या कि सेल्फ हीलिंग जो मैकेनिज़्म रहता है बॉडी का, दैट गेट्स एक्टिवेटेड व्हेन वी स्टार्ट मेडिटेटिंग। सो एंजाइटी स्पेशली इन चिल्ड्रन, एंजाइटी डिसऑर्डर्स और स्टडी के करके पेशेंट्स और चिल्ड्रंस में कई बार कंसंट्रेशन डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाती है इन स्टडीज़ और दे स्टार्ट हैविंग पैनिक अटैक्स। पर्सन जिनमें थायराइड की प्रॉब्लम, डायबिटीज़ की प्रॉब्लम, इवन विमेन में दोज हु आर ओवर स्ट्रेस फ्रॉम हाउस होल्ड वर्क और फ्रॉम जॉब रिलेटेड स्ट्रेस, or someone who has a problem with like fertility issues women में due to the stress itself. So इन सब कारण जो हैं इसको मेडिटेशन से इम्प्रूव किया जा सकता है because your normal immunity of the body gets activated. जो एथलीट्स और स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन्स हैं आपने देखा होगा कि some of them also do meditation regularly in their everyday life. Even actors and actresses, they do yoga, which is also a form of meditation known as movement meditation. So ये आपके inner wisdom को activate कर देती है, आपकी anxiety को कम कर देता है और इससे आपकी जो potential है वो increase हो जाती है. You become more energetic, you become more positive in your outlook towards life. And you become more have more potential within that you recognize once you recognize yourself as a person, as an individual. Any doubts or self-doubts, any lack of confidence or any negative patterns automatically start getting removed from your life and your intuitive power gets increased. Your creativity gets increased, your decision making capacity and your memory power gets boosted up. So what is meditation? इस बात को जानने के लिए कि मेडिटेशन क्या है हमें ये जानना ज़रूरी है कि हम खुद क्या हैं. What are we as a person? Are we the body by that we recognize as a name like Rohit, Pawan, any name? क्या हम वो हैं या आर वी रिकग्नाइज्ड बाय अ प्रोफेशन लाइक वेदर वी आर अ डॉक्टर, एन इंजीनियर, अ प्रोफेशनल और एनीथिंग, और इट इज़ आवर बॉडी दैट इज़ व्हाट वी आर. नो, वी आर नथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. वी आर बेसिकली समथिंग मोर डीपर देन दैट. And to understand that deepness within us, you have to understand the philosophy behind this meditation process. So, जब आपको for example कहीं पे दर्द होता है, like you meet with an accident or suppose you just get some ache in your body, say in a finger or a hand, आप क्या कहते हैं कि मुझे यहाँ पे दर्द हो रहा है, right? You don't say that the lawyer is having this pain or the doctor is having this pain. No, we don't say that. We don't say that Pawan is having this pain or we are having this pain, right? So we never say that this is the issue of the pain. We say that I am having this pain here. Now this I is something which is beyond your normal body. It is far deep and far deep within you, which makes you what you are. The emotions that you experience, for example, like if you feel happy, or if somebody says something to you and you don't like that, then you feel sad about it. Or if you are procrastinated by someone belittles you, or someone hurts you, or says something that you don't like, then that's definitely starts affecting your emotions. Now when that emotions start getting affected, something within you, that I, gets affected. And when that I gets affected, it starts affecting your body as well. You start experiencing that ache and pain. तभी आपने कई बार देखा होगा कि आप अगर किसी प्रॉब्लम के लिए, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आपके कहीं एक हो रहा है या पेन हो रहा है, एंड यू गो टू द डॉक्टर, दे डू ऑल द टाइप्स ऑफ टेस्ट एंड लैब टेस्ट, एंड दे डोंट फाइंड एनीथिंग रॉन्ग विद यू फिजियोलॉजिकली, बट जब आप but still you are having that pain, you are having that pain in that particular part of the body. Why? Because that emotions that you are feeling are having that effect on your body itself. So like someone dies, then there is something that is left from the body and it is made functionless. Now the body does not have any power left. That energy, that life force, the I, is the part that is what you are. So that you are is the energy field, a more deeper version of just your physical body. Now if this energy is your real you, then where does it come from? Does it come from the mother? Like yes, your body, your physical body comes from the mother's womb. But what about your inner soul, जिसे हम चेतना, आत्मा या एनर्जी कहते हैं, वो कहाँ से आई है? Now that source or energy or the soul that we recognize is something that comes from the universe. जो आपके आसपास की ब्रह्मांड है, वहाँ एक फोर्स ऑफ फील्ड ऑफ एनर्जी है, सम लाइट सोर्स जो उस यूनिवर्स में है, जहाँ से ये एनर्जी डिटैच हुई और आपके अंदर, एक बॉडी के अंदर, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सोल एंटर की. So that detached part of the light has come inside your body and that is the real you. So when we meditate, we become aware of this energy. We recognize that हमारी body नहीं है जो हम हैं, बट वो एनर्जी है जो हमारे अंदर है, हमारी चेतना, आत्मा या स्पिरिट, जिसे भी हम किसी डिफरेंट नेम से जानते हैं, वो अगेन यूनाइट हो जाती है टू द सोर्स व्हेन वी लीव दिस बॉडी. सो मेडिटेशन बेसिकली एक प्रोसेस है दैट हेल्प्स टू मीट योर इनर सेल्फ, यू to get united with that divine energy, the divine power in the world or the universe. Now we call it liberation ya moksha because when person dies, that energy field or the life force as we call it in the human body, it leaves the body and then is released into the universe as a free light. Now this energy meets with the divine forever. So why it is important to know this? Because that is the aim of doing meditation ultimately. But जो नॉर्मल लोग हैं हमारे जैसे जो स्पिरिचुअलिटी के अंदर अभी नहीं जा सकती, दे आर लीडिंग देयर नॉर्मल लाइफ्स, उनके लिए मेडिटेशन इज़ नॉट अबाउट गेटिंग दैट मोक्ष और लिबरेशन. उनके लिए मेडिटेशन इज़ टू फाइंड अ पीस और टू इंक्रीज देयर प्रोडक्टिविटी, their positivity levels, or to solve relationship issues within their family and friends. Not important just by meeting your inner self, but anybody who recognizes this life force and works on this by doing meditation, they can lead a blissful life. Any person who does this meditation will eventually have peace. It will resolve their anger issues. It will make them more productive in their daily life. Their energy levels get boosted up. उनकी जो इंट्यूटिव पावर एंड क्रिएटिविटी स्किल्स हैं वो इम्प्रूव हो जाएंगे. दे स्टार्ट गेटिंग मोर गुड आइडियाज़ टू एनहांस एंड लिव अ मोर बेटर लाइफ देन दे आर करेंटली लिविंग. So what is the way to meet your inner life or the inner self? Is there a specific way to do that? Yes, of course there is. And there are a number of or various forms of meditation that one can do to follow that inner self. So one should not live in the body awareness. तो ये कि मेरी ये शरीर है या मेरा ये बॉडी है और ये मैं हूँ, ये अवेयरनेस की जगह you have to create that awareness about the soul awareness, that is who you are as a person, as that energy. So when you start lying or when you start in a way where you become soul aware, then those factors that have been disturbing you all your life, like किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया तो आप अफेक्ट हो गए, किसी ने आपको अच्छा कमेंट पास किया तो आप हैप्पी हो गए, किसी ने बुरा कमेंट पास किया तो आपको दुख हो गया या you feel sad. You get over those things then eventually. Those things don't affect you ultimately when you start to become soul aware. They automatically start fading away and go beyond yourself. Now for this or to reach that kind of level, you have to follow certain types of meditations. And there are various forms of meditation which I will discuss gradually. But usually it is dependent upon what the purpose of meditation you are looking for. Like for someone who is looking for just some peace and calm, they can go for a meditation for the same thing. If someone is looking for meditation to lower their anxiety levels, to help improve their concentration, especially children, जो school going children हैं, who are overburdened by doing it all or multitasking every day, going from one school to another tuition to another, maybe playway school or maybe doing some extracurricular activities. So by the end of the day they are so exhausted and tired that their energy levels begin to gradually get lowered with time. Now many parents and many people don't recognize that because they don't recognize that even the mind needs rest and peace and calm to some extent. If you are working long hours or if you are continuously brainstorming your mind with new things almost all the day long, it is going to affect you some way in the long run. So there are basically like 3 to 4 series of meditations that you can start with, and once you start getting the benefits, like when you do it, you will recognize that it really helps you get grounded yourself. You get more calmer, you feel more peace, and the world around you doesn't affect you anymore. Then you start to become more productive within. Nobody affects you anymore. Nobody, whatever they say doesn't affect you. You become your own boss. You become your own self, the best version of yourself. So when you do that, it is an amazing thing that you recognize your potential then, and then you start connecting with that powerful source of the universe from where you have ultimately arrived. So the end is basically the beginning of something new. So you cannot start by just doing this by constantly creating a connection with the divine. It takes time and it takes years and sometimes long hours of practice to do that. But the first thing you can become is aware, to become aware of who I am. That is the way to connect to the divine. So once you are aware that you are a soul that is connected to the divine, that gets imprinted in your mind, the neurons, your brain, it gets activated, and it knows that you are actually going to get benefits from this. So how to connect with this, doing this? So there is a simple meditation for that which we can do, which is known as connecting with the source, and we can start that in the next session. So in case you have any questions, I would suggest that you discuss with me, and we can go from there, because the more interactive you become, I learn from you and you can learn from myself, and we can be a powerful team that can build something up more better than what we are today. So I hope you got some understanding about what meditation is. So namaste, and आप सभी को बहुत शुभ दिन.